We are in an age today where if you do not right at the outset, whether you are an established business, so there is one question that has been asked, which is how do we turn around organizations? It does not matter whether you are talking about a manufacturing organization, service organization. Let me make this one clear in absolute terms. Every single organization, every one of our enterprises in this room needs to transform. The way we are structured, the way we have created our organizations is irrelevant. I repeat that word, is irrelevant to the economics. So all of us understand this term economics. So that is why I'm using it very, very specifically. It is irrelevant to the economics and the ergonomics of our present and the future. And you need to think about it. Why? Because we have created, so the enterprises that we have today, and there are a lot of startups that are actually starting up also, are all on the basis of what worked 20 years ago, or 15 years ago, 10 years ago. And you have a situation today where technology is changing every 3 months, the way in which you perceive what can happen, how you can, and what is this? What is this change? And let's understand very specifically what this change is. This change is about data being captured at its source. And when data is captured at its source, it is just not left as information. So data gets converted into information. Information gets converted into intelligence. Intelligence is only intelligent when it is contextual. Otherwise, it's rubbish. And how can contextualization happen? Not by placing some server in the cloud, please. It doesn't happen that way. The contextualization happens when you are able to profile, personalize, and differentiate. The 3 P's.